Lightweight concrete is pretty interesting, and there's a lot of different applications you can use it for. But pretty much universally, across the board, lightweight concrete all suffers from the same problem. Lightweight concrete is really weak. The lighter it is, the weaker it is. There are some things that you can do to try to make your lightweight concrete stronger. Let's look at some of those now. The first thing that you want to do if you want to make your lightweight concrete stronger is you want to add some sand. Sand and cement, that's how you make concrete or mortar. If you substitute the sand for a lightweight concrete aggregate like perlite or vermiculite, it's going to make the mix a lot lighter, but a lot weaker. So what if we only substitute some of the sand and we leave some of the sand? Well, you end up with a little bit of the best of both worlds. It's still usably strong, but it's a lot lighter than it was before. What else can you do to lightweight concrete to help make it a little bit stronger? Something that I do with lightweight concrete mixes is to add fibers. Fiberglass is a concrete additive, commonly referred to as fibers, that you can order when you're buying ready-mix concrete from a concrete batch plant. The fibers act in the same way that steel acts in concrete, in that it increases the tensile strength. This is very important when you're dealing with lightweight concrete, because even full-strength concrete is not all that strong in tensile strength. It's extremely strong in compressive strength, but we need to add steel to it to make it usefully strong with tensile strength as well. With lightweight concrete already being so much weaker than regular concrete, well, the tensile strength is just abysmally bad, and that's why you need to add something to the mix to help. That's what fibers are used for. Fiberglass, when added and dispersed throughout a lightweight concrete mix, can substantially increase the tensile strength of the finished product. In the same way that we use fibers, or fiberglass, in lightweight concrete to help increase the tensile strength, we can also add admixtures like PVA or latex. PVA is polyvinyl acetate, and you probably know it as wood glue, or white glue, I think more specifically. White glue, when added to a concrete mix of any kind, is going to do exactly what you think a bunch of glue in your concrete mix would do. It just glues everything together, and that helps with strength. If you want to make your lightweight concrete stronger, then you could add some PVA or white glue to the water that you're going to use to make this lightweight concrete mix with. Alternatively, there's also latex or acrylic admixtures that you could add to make your lightweight concrete stronger. Latex is a natural rubber that comes from trees, and it's sticky and it acts like glue when you use it as an admixture in concrete. Acrylic is a man-made version of the same thing. Either acrylic or latex, when added into the water that you're going to use for a lightweight concrete mix, will increase the finished strength of the product. Latex or acrylic is thin and watery, like milk would be, whereas the PVA product, or white glue, is thick, like glue. You don't want to use both of these. These are not compatible together. This is an either-or situation. The amount of latex or acrylic that you add to a lightweight concrete mix will depend on your application, but typically you will want to replace about 10% of the water that you're going to be using with a liquid latex or liquid acrylic product. You can use up to 50% of the volume of the water that you're going to be using as a liquid latex or acrylic additive. In total, these are 3 ways that you can substantially increase the strength of a lightweight concrete mix. You can add some sand, and that will make a huge difference, although it will make it a little bit heavier. You can add fibers or fiberglass to your mix to increase the tensile strength, and you can add admixtures like PVA, latex, or acrylic, and all of these should increase the finished strength of your lightweight concrete.